Alright, so now we're going to South Cotabato from Jensan. And on the way, apparently they have grasshoppers treats. Oh my god. I can't. I'm not ready for that, man. So here's a bag of grasshoppers. I'm not ready for them yet.
There.
So, yeah.
Hand it over. Look at these guys. Look at, that's like half a grasshopper.
What? Tell them how it tastes like.
You see this guy? I'm gonna have my baby. I'm just kidding. You know, it's spicy. It's got a little bit of, they add some flavoring to it, which gives it some heat. And it's crunchy, because I think they fried it. And I think the joke is that every one of these, the sound of you eating it is because like a piece of it gets hung up in the back of your throat. But it's gone. Delicious.
We are on the way to Wes's farm. So on the way to his farm, there's a whole bunch of farms as well, because it's a lot. This one's a coconut farm. Later on, there's going to be a pineapple farm and all that. So
Combine the two. Coconut and pineapple. It's cumbersome.
Farm, pineapple farm. On the way to Wes's farm. And we made it. We are at the farm. Hooray! Wes has a bunch of new goats. Claudia's amused. So there's like just a whole bunch of goats everywhere. Everywhere. There's just goats.
Okay. He's the one nibbling your toes.
I think Claudia's gonna have a great time with these little goats.